In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now select Allow in Notifications pop-up. Tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. And tap on this plus icon next to those three dots to add your own alarm clock. From here, you need to set up an hour. Now pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. In my case, Wednesdays and Fridays. Now you can label your alarm however you want to by choosing Alarm Name section and typing in wherever you wish to, like work. Now scroll down and click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. Then click on Alarm Sound. Adjust volume of it by swiping left or right. Click on one of those sections, in my case ringtone. Choose Allow in the pop-up and tap on the best melody for you. In my case, Jam Jam. When you're ready, go back. You can also click on those two switchers next to those two features to switch them on or off. If you want to add a song from your smartphone, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Select any song. Enable or disable highlights by clicking on this switcher. And finally, click on Done at the top right corner. Then click on the back button twice. Now tap on the Vibration section. Set up the best vibration pattern. Go back, tap on Snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Finally, you can save your alarm by choosing Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always edit it by clicking on it, making your changes, and discarding them by choosing Cancel at the bottom left corner, or saving them by choosing Save at the bottom right one. You can also switch on or off your alarm completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, just hold it. Click on Delete section at the bottom right corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!